Hold on.
Yeah, well.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
hold up.
Oh, am that hard?
Welcome back to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe, people. Welcome to the show. Another episode today, part 2 of what really happened on the Druski Coulda Been House season 2. You know what I'm saying? Today, like, I'm even wearing my shorts today, people. Now, disclaimer from the start, this is in no way to disrespect Druski or anything like that. This is just me telling my story and how it happened from my personal eyes. You understand? Yeah. So let's get into it. So yeah, picking up from the last episode, like I was telling you, hands were thrown. It was all mad. We woke up in the morning and it was just peak. From morning time, it was peak. I forgot to say in the last episode, Javante and the white boy was just fighting constantly from the very beginning. But moving past that quickly, we woke up in the morning. There's one white boy, I can't remember his name, but I put it up there.
Some dude dabbed me up. Now that I don't like him, it's just like he wasn't my homie, you know.
What's y'all got going?
Hey, you. When you dabbed me up, I was like caught on the wrong guard because I didn't know you like that. So I didn't really f with you like that. So I was like, damn, G. And I choked.
Hey, I don't give a f. What you want?
And for some reason, yeah, I don't know why, because it was like, people were just like confused on what to do, I think. Because people didn't know how to get like camera time and what to really do in there. Like, I was cool because I'm a entertainer, so I don't need to fight or do anything like that. I'll just be me. But some of these people didn't really understand, and there was this one white youth, and he just started being funny with Frank, and I see the whole thing happen. Like, I've seen him come in and say something to Frank, and it was just awkward. Like, he didn't need to be like that, and he just started something for like no reason with Frank. And I thought, yeah, this is gonna go wrong for him. And Frank, bad boy Frank, I call him. Frank just banged him out one time. Yeah, just pump him up quick and fast. And I thought, yo,
Got your fucking opportunity right here. Where you at?
Let's go. Tripping.
all right, cool. This is what's happening in this house. This is what I go on, you see me? So anyway, we've gone outside now and you're doing this scoreboard thing. Anyway, there's got to this point where Druski's like, he's kind of drawing me out now, because you have to remember, you know, it was in my contract that I was allowed to smoke. Yeah, I ain't doing it if I ain't smoking. You get me? So he's kind of like, I don't know whether he's used that as a storyline to kind of flip it round on me, because I've basically said like, I have to smoke. I'm not doing it if I can't smoke. He's flipped it round, the whole thing. I don't know whether it was just part of the comedian storyline or whatever, but he's like, I think he said, who can smoke weed or something like that. And I stood out and they said, listen, you refer to him as the Jamaican Dundada.
Step up if you can smoke.
Y'all refer to him from now on as a Jamaican Dundada.
Now, obviously, he's just styling the thing, because he knows man's not Jamaican. But he's using the whole thing that I'm the only one that can smoke, so man's a bad boy. He's kind of using that as a something, you get me? And he's saying, like, has anybody got a problem with it? And one of the gay youths said something, but they just said something, and then the albino brother, albino, which actually later become my brethren, but we get to that. But yeah, so he's like, he stood out and he's like, what the fuck, like, he ain't Jamaican, like, rare.
If you got a problem with him, raise your hand.
Oh, Bino Slim, what wrong?
You ain't no damn Jamaican Dundada. What you talking about, nigga?
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Saying, nigga.
Okay. You don't believe he's Jamaican, do you?
Nah, he ain't no Jamaican. How the he can smoke? He ain't no Jamaican, nigga. You white, nigga.
Oh, shit.
Jamaicans can be white.
Badness a run.
Oh.
Straight, no shakiness. Badness a go on. No boy can't style me thing.
That is it.
Fall back in line. Hey,
Hold on.
Yeah, well.
Hey,
Yo,
hey,
hey, hold
chill.
up.
Oh, M that hard.
I don't condone that type of energy.
And he's like gone to swing for me, and I kind of blocked the. I don't know if he caught me or caught it with my arm, but I've banged him twice. One, I connected him with my right, and then with my left, I've caught him. Not so hard with the left, but I've got my rings on. So what you don't see on camera is man scuffed up his face because of my rings on the left side. Man connected with the right better, but man caught him with the left. So that's happened now. And basically what you see, because you've seen in the clip, I'll put it in, it cuts straight to me. It just says, oh, you need to smoke. He just needs to smoke some weed. He just needs to smoke some weed. That's not what happened.
Take him for a smoke break. Let him go smoke.
Let him go smoke. Let him go smoke. He need to go smoke.
He need to go
That's
smoke.
all he needs, some weed.
Yeah, what you don't see on camera is once that happened, I've run back to get him again, and security have had to lift me up and drag me away. This time my chain's popped off. I'm saying, no, what the fuck is my chain? Pick up my chain, you get me? Went to walk off again, like so that they thought I weren't gonna do nothing, and then ran back to get him again. And they caught me again, you get me? I was going mad, people. I wanted to get him again, I swear. It didn't show you that on camera. You see me? Just cut straight to where I was smoking. And that's it. Obviously, me as a man, I'm not into the, you know me. That is far from my character. Far from my character. But I just knew this was what was happening here. And man had to just do what man had to do. You get what I'm saying? But from time that, I see him afterwards and I said, respect. I respect you for, stepping up same way. You get me? And from there, me and him got along well. But at that point, they was doing like a drug shakedown thing to check in everyone. I think that's what the original thing was. It was about. It might have been a drug shakedown thing. And they took Frank and Albano. They took them because they had something. I can't remember. And then Druski created this iconic scene of, I think it's Menace to Society or Boys in the Hood. I think it's Boys in the Hood. One of them films they created like a comedy skit of it, which was really cool, I think.
You a fucking drug dealer, ain't you?
Well, hello, Mr.
Are you a
Frank
drug?
Welcome home, Big
Welcome
Meech.
home, Big Meech.
Oh, nigga, you think you BMF? You watch it, you want to beat them niggas.
Nah.
Oh, hey.
After that, we had some mad white guy. He came forward and he was talking about taking drugs and this and that, and I was like, all right, cool. This guy's a bit weird still, but let's go with it. I said something. He said I sounded like I was out of a movie or something.
He sounds like he's out of the movie.
We listen.
Yeah, it was just mad. That was when it like arguing and fighting like fully kicked off, full steam in the house, and it was like everyone was trying to get a piece of camera action. Rare. But at this point, people, they didn't really know who I was. They didn't really know who I was. Couple of people kind of knew who I was, but they didn't really know who I was. As in, like, how famous I am and how well I've done in the industry so far. You get me? So, anyway, yeah, from that now, I think we had, what happened next? Then we had a wrestling match. I had like this wrestling match. I ended up wrestling the one Mexican youth. They didn't put it on camera, but he half got the better of me still, man. But yeah, that was just like a little thing that was cool. That wasn't nothing serious like that. And then I had a rap battle with Dre, who's a trans, which went viral on the internet. So that happened.
I never been the type to parlay with unruly hoes. Watch your 45 pop off! Your feet get knock off! Full con in the motorcade, put on the four-way flash, nobody will stop off. Fuck off.
And yeah, so as we're reaching to the end of the episode now, comes to elimination times, and I told you about Steezo, the one that let share the sleeping bag when we got into the tent, and when I got into the house, she gave me her bed And she was just really cool, man. Steezo was really cool and one of like the normal people in there, because I'm cool playing the game and I'm in there playing the game with everybody, but I'm more of a chilled person, really. Even though you see me how you see me, like I like to have my moments and you know what I mean? It's not all the time. So like she was just cool and she got eliminated, and yeah, that was really sad.
I gotta send her home, man. Steezo.
Man, that's some shit. You ain't tell me that back there.
It's all right, man.
Man, hell no, man. You just doing shit on your own at it. Bro, hell no.
Don't worry about that shit. That nigga hater.
Steezo, I'll keep your picture. Don't worry about that shit. You gonna live through us.
That was the last person I expected to get sent home.
You talking about emotion.
Explain that.
Got you, man.
Why the fuck is 50 still here?
Shit great.
Everything happened.
Made me cry.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. Everything happened for a reason, huh? In our life, everything happened for a reason. That was really sad, because it was like, it's different when you're away from everything else. And by the way, you don't have your phone. I didn't have my phone. You're not allowed your phone for the whole time you're in there. You're not allowed your phone whatsoever. You get me? So when it's been like a couple of days and you're away from everything, you know, and these people that you've been locked in with are kind of like start becoming like your family, do you know what I mean? So that was sad that she got eliminated, as me. But yeah, that was kind of the end of the episode. But it's about to change from here, because the next day we're going to the studio with Little Yachty. Yeah, and obviously we have to go outside to reach to the studio. So that's when it changed, and that's when they realized who M.R was. But we will get into that on the next episode. You understand? I hope you enjoyed today's episode, people. Big up yourself. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving, hype up the video. Again, this video is in no way to discredit anybody. It's just my story from my eyes. People, I'm telling you, you see the next episode changes. Yeah, they start knowing what I'm going to start seeing what I'm going. People, I'll see you next time. Big up yourself, fully active.